Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Blender for texture painting. This will be first video about hand painted textures in Blender. I already have this nice model created by Mobile for our Blender course. It has all the baked maps like normal, ambient occlusion and others. Before dragging this model into the Blender, I need to create color base. You can create it with Substance Painter or with Blender. I prefer Substance Painter. I will quickly create it. Go to File, New. We need to select our model here. Then we need to go to Import Baked Maps and select all the maps. And then I go to Texture Set Settings and I will select all these maps here. And now I will use my Smart Material. Basically it's just set up for SoMuchDiffuse. You can see it here. With this plugin for Substance Painter you can easily create color base. Switch material to base color and I will simply change the color here to match my model. I select this folder, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then right click, black mask, right click once again, color selection. I can select color for gold for example and simply change the color here. I'm not making it too bright like this, because later I need to paint highlights in Blender. And of course same approach for other parts. To export texture from Substance Painter we need to go to File, Export Textures. Here we need to select our material, uncheck everything here, select only base color, and here we can choose our path. Okay, after we have our color base we can delete everything in Blender and import our model. Then we go to shading menu, then we need to drag color base here, connect it to base color, then we go to texture paint. Here we need to remove all the shading from our model, press on this button and press flat. Everything is good, let's remove all this stuff. Before we start paint we need to go to edit, preferences, go to input and press this button, emulate 3-button mouse. Then I suggest go to your tablet properties. In my case it's vacuum. Here you need to press on this plus button, select Blender, press OK, and only then on this button here you can assign a right click and on this button middle mouse click. For me it was comfortable because I can control everything with only one button on my pen, and Shift to drag my model, Ctrl to zoom. You need to get used to it and it's pretty simple and comfortable for me. I use square brackets to change the size of my brush. By pressing Shift F you can control the strength of your brush, or you can select it here. Usually I use 0.3, 0.5. Only then we need to go to Edit, Preferences, Key Map, find Sample Color here. I set it to V just because it's comfortable. If you used to paint in Photoshop you can set it to Alt or any button you want. Now I can zoom, press V, I can pick this dark color and paint some kind of damage like this. Here I can control my brightness, make it a bit warmer, paint some more highlights. Okay guys, that's all for this short video. I only set up Blender for texture painting. If you want to see full process of this result from sculpting, retopology to detailed hand paint texturing in Blender, you can check out our complete Blender course on Gumroad. In that course we have separate module only for hand paint texturing in Blender. Nice thing that in those videos I talk about stuff like light color theory, painting techniques, topics that not many people cover in Blender tutorials, but actually they are the most important if you want to achieve results like this. We need to learn 3D, all the techniques of modeling, sculpting, and only then think like an artist. We need to make all these brush strokes, gradients, colors nice and appeal. If you want to learn how to create assets like this from scratch in Blender, that course will be perfect for you. In the next video I will talk more about texture painting. Thank you for watching.